Hi, welcome to Guaranty here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Kirk Blair and I'm going to show you this 2020 Sundance. It's actually going to be a 291 quad bunk. This is one of my favorite floor plans because it's not huge, but it has quad bunks with a cool little entertaining area for the kids in the back. We're going to have battery location in the front, propane tanks, and it's going to have a power tongue jack. And then you have your kind of storage bay here as you make your way down. Magnetic catches, big storage bay there, big slide out here with the dinette table and couch in it, and I'll show you that when we get inside. All your hookups in your dump station are back here on this driver's side corner. Great location for most all your parks and your hookup locations. As you come around, you're gonna have the rear bumper and your spare tire back here on the back. And as you come around, you'll see it has a nice kitchen to it, which is awesome. It's gonna have the outdoor kitchen. Some people really love these. So you're gonna have the outdoor kitchen, hot cold water sink, and actually a cooktop out here. So you can cook anything outside if it's hot. That way you don't heat up inside the trailer. Storage, a little beer fridge. As you make your way around, you'll see we have outdoor speakers. We're gonna have a full-blown awning out here that's electric, comes out, very nice. Let's go ahead and jump inside and take a look. As you come in, you notice in the front bedroom area here, there's actually a TV here that could be mounted that would swivel around this area here by the door panel, the island. Nice bedroom, nice storage all the way around, storage under the bed, closets. But this here would whip around and you could mount a TV to this as a mirror on the other side so you can have the entertainment out here in the bedroom. And then you're gonna have a couch, nice dinette table, and your kitchen area, bigger fridge, nice storage all the way around, good cabinets. And the other thing you get is you get your bathroom here. Good sized bathroom. There is some storage in the bathroom, which is a plus. You don't get that all the time. As you come out of the bathroom there, kind of to this right side going to the back room, big closet, big storage area. Each person could have their own cubby, if you will. You could use it for a pantry. But the thing I like about this trailer and other trailers is that back bedroom on this. It's a quad bunk, so technically it has 4 bunks, and then that little table area there, entertaining for the kids. So you have buddies, you could have people, gear, whatever you want, storage area. This table goes up out of the way, so you could have an extra eating area, or they could just play games. Great spot for the kids. Well, this trailer or any other trailer here at Guaranty RV, we sell new and used. We have a lot of inventory. My name is Kirk. Captain Kirk is what they call me. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Please, I'd love to help you on your next adventure. Thank you so much.